1986 BX 14RE. A couple of weeks ago I had an email from a gentleman that owns a breakers yard in southwest France, and he had this car turn up for braking. So he gave me a ring to see if I was interested, and I didn't realise it was actually a Series 1 BX, so of course I had to have it. So I've just received it today, and I can't believe how wonderful it is. It's got a water leak from the inlet manifold which needs to be dealt with, but look at the structure, it's amazing. The front wheel arches are good, the check strap and hinge area on the doors is good, and the rear wheel arches, and I should think it's going to be exactly the same underneath. So what are we going to do with it? Well, we're going to go through it, we're going to make sure all the hydraulics are in perfect order, fully service it, and get it nice and cleaned. It does need a little bit of body work on the passenger side. There's a few scratches, so we need to decide whether we do that or whether we sell it as is. But it's a really good base for a light restoration or recommissioning even, really. It's done 144,000 kilometres, and the last time it had a service was 143, no, cut that, 143, yeah. Oh my God, don't tell me that's the 25th. God, that's long. Last time the car was serviced was on the 25th of February 1999, 143,000 miles. It's done 144,000 miles now. So it's done 1,000 kilometres in 20 years, in 2 days' time, in fact. I can't believe that, actually. That's incredible. So it's nice to have a Series 1 BX to work on. They're quite rare in this country now, and we look forward to making a start on it.